class 11. So we just started complex number, chapter number 5. So today we will continue this chapter. Now today's first topic is equality of complex number. Number 1, it is equality of complex number. In equality of complex number, let us suppose there are two complex numbers, z1 equals to a1 plus b1i and z2 equals to a2 plus b2i. So equality of complex numbers means these two complex numbers are equal. So here z1 equals to z2. So real part of this complex number is a1 and imaginary part is b1. For z2 the real part is a2 and imaginary part is b2. In case of z1, a1 plus b1i, so here real part of z1 is a1 and imaginary part of z1 is b1. Here z2 equals to a2 plus b2i. So real part of z2 is a2, imaginary part of z2 is b2. In case of equality, these two are equal. Re z1 equals to Re z2. So we can say that real part of z1 equals to real part of z2. That means a1 equals to a2. Real part are equal. And imaginary z1 equals to imaginary z2. So imaginary z1 is b1 and imaginary z2 is b2. So this equals to b1 equals to b2. So these are the conditions of equality of complex number. Now we can take one example of equality of complex number. Okay, now this is the example of equality of complex number. So if 4x plus I 3x minus y equals to 3 plus I, inside the bracket there is minus 6, where x and y are real numbers. So x and y are real numbers. Then find the value of x and y. So first we will write in solution 4x plus I 3x minus y equals to 3 plus I minus 6. Now first equating LHS and RHS. So these are the real part of two complex number. 4x equals to 3. So 4x equals to 3. X equals to 3 by 4. And this part is the imaginary part because I is there. So here the coefficient of I is 3x minus y. In right hand side there is minus 6. Coefficient of I is minus 6. So 3 into 3 by 4 minus y equals to minus 6. Minus y equals to minus 6. Now 3 3s are 9 by 4. Take it into RHS. 339 by 4. So minus y equals to, now take 4 as LCM, 4 6 24 minus 24 minus 9. Minus y equals to minus 33 divided by 4. So minus minus got 33 by 4. Therefore x equals to 3 by 4, y equals to 33 by 4. Okay, now we can check by putting these values instead of x and y, then we will get this equals to this. So x is 3 by 4 and y is 33 by 4. So 3 by 4, 33 by 4. X equals to 3 by 4, y equals to 33 by 4. So this is the example of equality of complex number. Now next topic is algebra of complex number. Okay, now algebra of complex number. In algebra of complex number, algebra, it includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So first, addition of two complex number. Addition of two complex number is complex number. Suppose let z1 equals to a plus ib and z2 equals to c plus id. This is the addition of complex number. Now first z1 plus, first we will calculate z1 plus z2. This equals to a plus ib plus c plus id. z1 plus z2 equals to, now we have to make a group by taking the like part. So this a and c is like part because these two are real part. So a plus c. Now here I is common from imaginary part. So b plus d I. Then we will write real part of two complex number, addition of complex number. z1 plus z2 is a plus c, and imaginary part of z1 plus z2 is b plus d. Now let us take one example of addition of two complex number. So z1 plus z2 is the closure property. Closure property of complex number. So this is closure property. Now let us take one example. So addition of two complex number is complex number. Suppose if z1 equals to 3 plus 4i and z2 equals to 2 plus 3i. Now first calculate z1 plus z2. So z1 plus z2 equals to 3 plus 4i plus 2 plus 3i. z1 plus z2, now make a group by taking like part. So 3 plus 2, it is real part. Now we can take I common, 4 plus 3 I. So z1 plus z2 equals to, this is 5 plus 7i. Now we can say that the real part of z1 plus z2 is 5 and imaginary part of imaginary part of z1 plus z2 is 7. Now this is the case of closure property or addition of two complex number. So addition of two complex number is complex number. See, so complex number, it is in the form of a plus ib. So a is this and b is 7. Okay, now this one for today. I will continue the algebra of complex number in next class. Thank you.